The hum of the refrigerator? It's making you sleepy? So my
See
aunt...
me last night? Yeah, I was falling asleep
in the chair? It's because you don't get enough sleep. So my aunt is helping me paint this wall. I was painting it. She said I was doing a bad job, so she took over.
You think?
I know. So yeah, that's gonna look good. That's just its first coat. Trying to freshen it up a bit because everything's looking so dingy. It was white, but now it's gonna be blue. We're also doing this wall right here because that was definitely dingy. I bought new curtains and freshened everything up. Looks good. It's starting to look nice. Yay! I love a new coat of paint. I had white curtains here, but I replaced them with a sheer black, so they're a bit see-through. So I didn't want to go solid black or thick black. I wanted to let some light in. It's already dark enough in here. And I also put new curtains up here as well. Paint it, lady, paint it! So after this coat dries, we're going to do 3 coats total.
You gotta wait to get dry first.
Oh, I know. Give it like
Because it's not gonna...
20 minutes to dry or something.
Something like that.
Hey, Moo-moo. So I've painted this wall right under the cutting board. And I've also painted the counters because they were just getting really dingy looking and nasty. I had put an acrylic surface over it and it just started to brown after time. So it was looking pretty disgusting. This will do for now. I'll probably just replace it later, but yeah, I'm happy we're also repainting these. This was gray, but it blends better into with the stove. Now it's all black. Mom's helping me paint the doors and also the drawers.
It come out.
What?
Because it's blowing the wind and the dirt.
Harry and Scott are getting ready to leave. They have to go dump their
leaving?
tanks. Yeah, they're going to leave. They have to go dump their tanks. So,
Today?
yeah, right now.
They're gonna come back?
Yeah, they said they might come back, but there's a possibility if they find something new that they won't go there. Or they won't come back, so that they'll just stick around there. So we'll meet back up with them since we're leaving here Saturday. What? Yeah, I have a leech. No, it's paint. So I'm glad it's coming together. I think everything looks wonderful. Nice and clean. Well, besides the bunk, this is my supplies for painting and also my oil change supplies, which I'm going to do before we leave. I did even get the Pure Synthetic Lucas oil stabilizer, which I'm going to put in. I usually put that in every oil change. So yeah, I'm going to put some of that in before I put the oil in. Bye, y'all! Be safe! We'll see you down the road. Okay. Sounds good. Love you too. Stay safe.
You're welcome. Y'all be careful.
Come here. Come here. Yeah. How was your bike ride?
Like hours.
It's nice. What kind of bike is it?
It's a 98 Honda Shadow. American Classic Edition.
It's looking good.
I chopped up the fender and all that stuff. Tried to make it look like a bobber, but
Right.
it ended up looking like something different.
Looks good. I like it. So Terry and Scott had a little adventure, but they made it back. We're happy to have them back.
We did. We didn't realize that we were just over the hill back to the house.
Through the woods.
Through the woods. But Scott and I found a bakery today,
Uh-huh.
and I had to bring you back.
Oh my goodness. It's a minion cookie. Is that a cookie or marshmallow?
It's a cookie.
It's a cookie. Thank you. That's awesome.
You're welcome. Your minion cookie.
My minion! Minion!
You
Don't
have to
try it,
share
Momo.
that, though, with Miss
Momo's like,
Colleen.
no, Momo's like, is it mine? Is it mine? No, it's
We
mine.
didn't have any dog biscuits there.
Aw.
Yeah, it was like,
Leave
what?
everything
Your bakery's
back.
open till 7 o'clock at night?
Really?
I'll have that.
They had
and that.
the biggest bakery.
Yeah.
It's full of yummy, yummy
Yes,
stuff.
they
Did you get it on your video?
I did.
Go check it out, y'all.
I know. Yummy, yummies.
What is there? So my aunt cooked some food. Lima beans.
I don't know.
Pinto beans.
With green beans.
No, pinto.
But there's green beans in there too.
Oh, there's green beans in there too? And I guess the best part is the ribs.
Gazillion.
Yeah, it's like a theme. We've been eating a lot of ribs lately.
Oh, did you bring our own plates back? Those are there.
So there's my plates. Beans and more beans and some meat. You getting it,
It
girl?
just falls right apart.
You getting it, girl?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh,
Thank
yes.
you so
Yummy,
very much.
yummy.
Yeah, it looks good,
Look
isn't
at
it?
that. They
You got
just
yours,
like,
Scotty?
Love it when it falls off the
Oh.
these just, I mean, they literally, look at that.
I know,
They
the
are
meat's just
so
falling off.
done. Oh my gosh. They're so done, they're just like falling right off the bone.
Yummy. That is freaking cool.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, look at the walking stick, y'all.
He's got sticky pads on his feet too.
Wow.
Like he can go upside down.
That is interesting. I actually thought you meant praying mantis,
No.
but that is a walking stick. Wow, that is so neat.
Isn't that awesome?
Right?
He he feels with his front paws. I don't know if he even has any
Eyeballs?
eyeballs.
Not sure. Yeah, they have tentacles, so I wonder if that's how they
'Cause he's been sticking his front paws out to touch and
to feel things, right? That is super cool. God, they're so thin looking.
Yeah, I didn't know where to grab him. I didn't want to hurt him.
I know, they literally just look like sticks.
They look like walking sticks.
I guess that's why they call them walking sticks.
Come on, buddy. He seems to have little antenna. in the front
Yeah, I
there.
see
You see
him.
him moving?
Right.
Yeah, see his foot is like stuck to my finger.
So where did you find him?
He was walking into the fire.
Really?
Yeah, I looked
Walking
down just in
into the
time.
fire?
Yeah, he was walking over the rocks around the outside of the fire.
So he literally wanted to be a burning stick.
Oh, yeah.
That
And they're like,
is
put him on the wood. I was like, probably not a good idea.
right. That is so
It's so
cool. I've never seen one. Not live though.
They're so delicate,
I know he does look. Oh, that tail is cool.
isn't it? It's got like a little
Stinger?
hole.
Or I wonder. They don't sting though, do they?
He hasn't touched me yet.
Yeah.
He's just been really cool and crawling all over.
Right. That is so cool.
See what I mean? Like he's sticking sideways.
Right.
So he's got to have sticky pads.
Yeah, so he's just crawling on you. I wonder if they jump or anything.
I don't think
Looks like
so.
he's like feeling around for something.
Yeah, like he's feeling around for his next move.
Right? He's like, okay, where can I go? Where can I go? I see the small antenna moving too. That is
so
just
cool. I've never seen one in real
so
life
neat.
like
Oh my
that.
god. The you can actually see like there's a
little
hole. No, there's a hole in the tail.
Yeah. I think you can only see it from the front.
Yeah, no, I can see it. There's a hole in the tail. That's cool. He's like, oh, there's my next landing.
If you look close, you can see his grabbers on his feet too.
Yeah, that is really nifty. They
They
don't look.
literally do look like a stick.
Yeah, they don't look like they should be alive. I'm like, what? I mean, I don't know. It just doesn't look like it should be alive. Because it just looks like twigs. Definitely neat. Where you,
Just trying to find a good place to put him.
like maybe on a bush or something?
That might be a good place.
Yeah, so that way at least he's protected and hidden.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, buddy. We'll see you later. He's like, no, I don't want to go. He's like, what the heck is that thing in front of me? Yeah, that's really neat.
Isn't that neat?
Definitely.
On the log. You're free.
Free, you're free. And you're not going to be firewood. So he was literally gonna walk into
He
the
was
fire.
walking into the fire. He was walking over the stones, and I looked down, and I was gonna turn my
Maybe
headlamp
he was
off,
just
and
going
I'm
for
like,
the heat or
wait
something.
a minute, something's moving over there.
Yeah, he doesn't want to get off
He's
your
going
hands.
backwards.
You're going backwards. Wrong way.
Feel the wood?
Feel it. There you go.
Maybe if I put him on a thicker spot.
Right. Maybe if you go from the rear, like put your hand on the rear and.
Oh,
There he goes. He's off. You're
he,
free. Yeah, he's right there.
Is he right side up or is he
Yeah.
upside down?
No, he's right side up.
Okay.
It's weird.
Maybe he's stunned.
No, I think he's
Oh,
good.
there we go.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I think he's good. Bye, Mr. Walkie Stick.
He's so cool.
Definitely. Super cool.
He's moving his antenna around.